The Engineering Inspiration Award celebrates outstanding success in advancing respect and appreciation for engineering within a team's school or organization and community. Inspiring others to respect science technology requires passion, knowledge, and commitment, and we recognize those qualities through this award. Reaching out to the community from grade 1 and up, spreading goodwill for STEM, this team really impressed the judges. Safety manuals, process diagrams, and checklists for you and me. Oh my. That's good. That's a good pun. Qualifying to compete for the Engineering Inspiration Award at the Provincial Championship in Hamilton is team number 8081, UMEI Lightning Robotics.
Team 8081, UMEI Lightning Robotics. They're from UMEI in Leamington. Founded in 2020, this is their 4th season competing in FIRST.